Hop into the 2018 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, wood grain interior trim. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.